Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out by the Manley International Airport roundabout, and we're going to give you a tour of the new signs that were put up out here. There's a new sign that says NMIA for Manley International Airport and a new sign that says Kingston. There you can see the NMIA sign, and they removed the Air Jamaica tail, the lovebird symbol on the tail. They removed it and put up a flagpole. There is no flag flying on the pole now, but they're supposed to put a giant Jamaican flag up there. And as you can see, they renovated the roundabout, putting in the brick paved walkway and decorated it. Put up these concrete barriers. I guess that's to ensure people don't drive up on the roundabout. And then this is the Kingston sign. Alright guys, so let us know what you think about these changes. So we're going to go through an article that gives some information or some more information as to what's happening out here. The roundabout at the entrance to Manley International Airport has long served as a symbolic threshold into Kingston, Jamaica. For decades, it was famously marked by the Air Jamaica Lovebird airplane tail, a nostalgic landmark for many Jamaicans and visitors. However, in a bold and visually striking move, the roundabout has undergone a major transformation in 2025. Now branded the NMIA Flag Roundabout, this new installation features towering signage and a culturally rich mural that redefines Kingston's gateway in both aesthetic and symbolic terms. The transformation is part of a wider effort by PAC Kingston Airport Limited (PACL) to modernize and beautify the airport's infrastructure, in partnership with Kingston Creative, a non-profit organization dedicated to fostering public art and cultural expression. The centerpiece of the roundabout now includes two large 3D signs reading Kingston and NMIA, with each letter standing approximately 6 feet tall. The signs are not simply decorative, they serve as a canvas for a large, colorful mural entitled Traffic Blocking, designed and executed by a team of talented local artists. Unveiled in late June 2025, the new roundabout art piece is more than just an upgrade in signage. It's a cultural statement. The artwork blends elements of urban vibrancy, Jamaican music, dance, and everyday life. One of the most significant additions to the roundabout is the installation of a 30 by 15 foot Jamaican flag, which stands proudly behind the mural. This feature was introduced during a formal unveiling ceremony and has been met with strong patriotic sentiment. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. So let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.